Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we will be continuing with our book. The book I'll be reading from is titled Lifa and was written by T.T. Gininza and F.T. Mahlalela. Now let me say that in Siswati. Namuhla sitobe sifunza incwadi. Sihloko sale ncwadi Lifa. Babhali bencwadi T.T. Gininza na F.T. Mahlalela. If you happen to have this book, use it to read along with me. If you don't have this book, it's okay. You can read along using my book. We will be reading pages 30, 31, 32, and 33. Let's get started. Bata, bita, buta, etela, tila, titila, dudu ubita dana, dana ubita titi, licaca alititili, bobabe babatela etaleni, lituba alilitili licaca, lona ngubabe, babe uyabata. Moving on to page 31. Litala. Gogo lagama ude litala. Ucatela tibi ebaleni. Litala ladumile nagugu. Linetibi nematolo lelitala. Emini lelitala lite ematolo. Libala lona lite tibi nematolo. Asiphinze sifunze. Litala. Gogo lagama ude litala. Ucatela tibi ebaleni. Litala ladumile nagugu. Linetibi nematolo lelitala. Emini lelitala lite ematolo. Libala lona lite tibi nematolo. Moving on to page 32. On page 32, we will be focusing on the letter F. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Fa, fe, fi, fo, fu. Fila, fola, fula, fana, fata, funa, faca, fica. Titi ufana natana. Gogo ufuta liguma. Gugu ufate bafana. Bafana bafome nabafola. Bafati bebafula itolo emini. Laba bafana. Bafana bendani bayafola. Bafana bafome nabafola. And finally, page 33. On page 33, we will be focusing on the letter K. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. Kaka, koka, kala, kela, kulo. Bafana bakake umuti. Ufuna kukalani kuki. Koki ukela kuki. Mama koka. Ufuna kulo muti. And that is all for today. Join our language learning community by subscribing to our channel. That way, you won't miss out on any future language lessons.